Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is, does going into liquidation give the director a bad name? That is, can that director ever get a home loan again in the future? So the answer to this question is whether the director can get a home loan in the future or not depends on that director's personal financial circumstances at the time he or she goes for the home loan. That is, what their level of savings is, what their income is, what their existing assets and debts are at that time. Having been the director of a company that's gone into liquidation in the past does not automatically rule them out from being able to get a home loan in the future. The lender, when the director does the home loan application in the future, might ask if they've been a director of a company in liquidation in the past. Sometimes this question is asked for, say, the past 10 years. So the answer to that question will be yes, and then the lender might want to know some circumstances around the liquidation. Especially with liquidations happening now, which is towards the end of 2021, a lot of these businesses are COVID affected or lockdown affected as a result of COVID. So sometimes lenders want to hear what the explanation is as to why the company went into liquidation, and they may factor that into their assessment as to if they're comfortable giving that person a home loan in the future.